Today we're going to show you a video of our DR wood chipper. We have the wood chipper for about a year now. It's the model 9.5. It's an electric start. It works great, does a wonderful job. We're going to show you us clearing out a little section of our woods near the bird feeders that we've been wanting to do for some time. Our intent in the long run is to clear out a lot of sections of the woods, and we'll show you some more of those photos as we go on. Poor old DR chipper got constipated during the video. So I'll show you what went on. We learned a valuable lesson from it. When you're using the bag, you need to empty the bag. I had used the chipper quite a few times and had never used the bag before. So this time we used the bag, and poor old DR got constipated, so we had to give him an enema. So really what we had to do is take them all apart, clean them all up, and then keep on chipping. We'll show you that video today. We appreciate you looking in on us. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video. Valuable lesson learned. Every day I learned something new. We had never run the chipper before with the bag on. So doing so, you have to empty it frequently. So as you saw, we had to tear the whole thing apart and clean it out. Wasn't a big deal, a little extra work in the middle of the day trying to get something done, but it worked out okay. And I learned a lot. I'm glad I kind of did it because I've now learned how to access the blades. You're going to have to replace the blades or sharpen the blades periodically in the unit as time goes on. I haven't run it enough that I have to do it yet, but sooner or later I'm going to have to do that. So if nothing else, I've torn it apart for the first time. Always a learning experience. Too bad it had to happen in the middle of the day. But hope you enjoyed our video. Come back and see us. Thanks a lot. See you next time.